Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will learn about the not-in comparison operator. The not-in comparison operator finds documents where the field value not in the specified array or the field does not exist. This is very similar to the previous lesson, the in comparison operator. The only difference, instead, we will be looking for fields that are not in a specific array. Let us try an example. Using the same exact queries we used from the previous lesson, this time let us find all musicians except for those who plays drums and guitars. If you can recall, before we were only looking for musicians who play drums and guitars. This time we're looking for everyone else except for musicians who has played the drums or the guitar. In the MongoDB console, first let us look at the musician collection. And we have a few. We have drums, guitars, drums. So we're looking to retrieve everyone else who plays something opposite or something other than a drum or a guitar. To do this, we will write the very same command. db period musicians find instruments semicolon not in. Their abbreviation for not in is not, N-I-N, not in. We are still searching for or by an array. Therefore, we need to use square brackets, the name of the value separated by comma. Closing square bracket, closing curly brackets, closing parenthesis. We are looking to find information about musicians except for anyone who has played the drums or the guitar. The command we are searching by is db period musicians period find instruments not in drums or guitar. Hit enter. And we return with all of the musicians except for anyone who has ever played the drums or anyone who has ever played the guitar. Here's another. Find all events except for weddings and parties. Please try this query on your own. Pause the video and try to solve this query. When you continue, I will go over the solution step by step. Okay, assuming you have tried that, let us continue. This time, we are looking to find all events, except for weddings and parties. Well, we know that we have information about weddings and parties inside of the book fee collection. Therefore, we need to use book fee. db period book fee period find parentheses. Hit enter. And we return with the different types of events that we have stored within our book fee collection. We have different types of events and we have the different starting fees. So this time we are looking for all events except for weddings and parties. To do this, we will type db book fee find. This time we are looking for everything other than weddings and parties. Type semicolon, curly brackets, abbreviation for not in, semicolon, square brackets, and the name of the values that we are looking to exclude. In this case, it is weddings and it is parties. Closing bracket, closing curly brackets, closing parentheses. Verify that the statement is correct. db period book fee period find. The type of events that we're looking that is not in weddings, not in parties. Hit enter. And this time we are returned with all of the events and their starting fees except for information about weddings or parties. We have now completed the section about comparison operators. In the next video, I will provide you with a short practice summary of a variety of questions. This way, you will be able to test your knowledge in everything you have learned this far in this section before we continue to the next section, which will be logical operators. See you then.